In this era where social influence and content creation is key, people rightly worry about how to stand out, how to be unique, how to be different from the rest in the market. A flash of inspiration came to me the other day, and I thought we really don't have to look very far. In fact, we don't even have to look outside of ourselves for the magic formula and the answer to that. And so, to illustrate that, I've decided to do a comparison of the best example of uniqueness and standing out. 5 superhero comparisons of standing out, being unique, and being fan favorites. First up, Incredible Hulk versus Captain America. If you really think about it, both of these superheroes boast superhuman strength and agility, but they cannot ever be confused with each other because branding color. Now, it may sound superficial, but notice how the Captain always dons his navy, red and white body-type suit, while the Hulk always runs around with his stretchy purple shorts and goes topless and shows off his green skin. Emotion and belief. Now, the Incredible Hulk is always angry and he doesn't hide that emotion, nor does he apologize for being that. While the Captain always fights in the name of justice, and of course, that is his core belief. Deadpool versus Wolverine. Now, both of these superheroes boast super regeneration to the point they cannot be killed, but they are distinct in mannerism. Deadpool is known for being crude, unpredictable, darkly humorous, and also most known for breaking the fourth wall with speaking to the viewer in front of the screen, while Wolverine is dark, intense, feral and impulsive in nature, much like his name, and wolf-like in his appearance and actions. Batman versus Green Arrow versus Iron Man. All 3 superheroes are normal humans but with exceptional intellect, especially applied in the area of technology. All 3 of them are considerably wealthy, but they are distinct on their backstory. Batman is a vigilante, driven by his want and need to bring justice to Gotham City, in part driven by his need to avenge his parents' death. But he never kills anyone. Green Arrow is also a vigilante, driven to rid Starling City of crime and corruption through killing enemies on his father's name list. Iron Man advances technological inventions for the betterment of mankind as well as for the preservation of his own life. All 3 superheroes are also distinct in what they use technology for, their signature tools, like Batman with his Batarang, Batmobile, and other Bat-related weapons, Green Arrow with his recurve bow and trick arrows, and Iron Man for his whole plethora of Iron Man suits, including the Hulkbuster and also his AI system, Jarvis. Captain Marvel versus Wonder Woman. Both these superheroes are amazing women with otherworldly abilities like strength, speed, and even flight, but they are distinct on origin. Captain Marvel is known to have acquired her powers from an alien source, while Wonder Woman is known to have acquired her powers from birth with blessings from different gods. They are also distinct in what they fight for. Captain Marvel uses her powers to establish equality across the galaxy to make sure she helps the oppressed to stand up to the oppressor. Wonder Woman fights for love and from love, for both her personal life and for planet Earth. Thor versus Aquaman. Both these superheroes are beings from otherworldly realms with control over a certain element, and they are distinct on symbolic presentation. Thor always comes with Mjolnir, the legendary hammer of lightning. Of course, lightning is Thor's key element. And notice that Thor always dons a flowing red cape. Aquaman always comes with the trident of Neptune. Of course, the power of the oceans is Aquaman's key element. And he also always comes with a golden emerald fish scale suit. And so we see that everything from color, emotion, mannerisms and self-expression, character story, inventions, origin story, what you stand for, symbolic presentation, they all come together to make each of these superheroes unique, not confused with others with same superpowers, and well loved by their fans. And the best part is that all of them are being who they truly are. They are living their lives, expressing themselves, doing the things that are true and authentic to their values and beliefs. They are not perfect. They are humanly flawed in more ways than one, but that makes them relatable, role models to many even. And one thing for sure, they never try to follow norms or be like other superheroes. I personally believe that each of us innately knows our unique superpower, but oftentimes it gets buried under fears, self-doubt, the need to look good by doing what everyone else is doing just to fit in. You have a story, a journey, and a vision that no one else has. And it is an inspiration to others who are on their own individual life journeys. Be a superhero. I'll see you next week.